In this video, we'll be teaching you how to process payments with the PayFacto integration in RepairDesk. Before starting, make sure you've gone through our video on how to set up your PayFacto integration or have visited the relevant knowledge base article. In this video, you'll be learning how to process a credit card payment with your terminal and collect tips from the terminal. Let's begin. First, log into your RepairDesk account and click on Point of Sale. Begin adding items to your shopping cart by either scanning them with a barcode reader or manually entering them. When you're done, click on the Checkout button to proceed to the payment screen. On the payment screen, select PayFacto from the list of options in the left-hand panel. Review the amount to charge or enter a new one and click on Process Payment. At this point, the system will send your request to the payment terminal. If tipping is enabled in your store settings, the customer can select a preset amount to tip or enter their own on the terminal, and then press the Enter key. Once the tips are added, your customer can pay for the total amount using their card. Your payment is now complete without any key-in errors or other issues, and the system will print a thermal receipt of the payment that you can give to your customer. For more information, please visit our knowledge base. RepairDesk lets you accept payments quickly and easily with your PayFacto terminal through an automated and streamlined process. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about the PayFacto integration, please contact us at payments@repairdesk.co. Thanks for watching.